Where does inspiration lie? In the air? In our dreams? Or is it a muse? Or perhaps it's much closer than you might think. Every morning, when you're making dinner, when you're looking for answers, or simply when you find them. The answers can be beneath your feet, behind what you love the most, or when you look up at the sky, in the curved line, in the straight one, in the largest things or the smallest. When you feel like you are part of the team, because everyone else is what matters the most. Even when everything seems dark and gloomy, because your self-motivation always pushes you past your limits. Sometimes you're not conscious that your daily work has an impact on many people that are very far away, because even without knowing it, you see everything through a global lens. And sometimes we stop looking for inspiration and we become it. When we try to discover, innovate, and create. When we seek perfection to turn our everyday lives into a positive experience. We work to make everyone's life better. That's how it's always been. We've been reliable and rigorous when it comes to our work. We've beat any barriers, overcome any obstacles, and we are always looking to the future as part of our constant quest for excellence. A passion for change. That's what inspires you. At Cosentino, this commitment is in our DNA. At Cosentino, we work to inspire people through innovative spaces.